Hello everybody, it's Chuck Billy here. I'm very proud to introduce to you at LordVaporUSA.com the Tomahawk. Some new line of Chief products right here. This is the Tomahawk. It's the way it's going to look when you get it at your home. Comes in a very cool bag here with the Chief on the front. Cool artwork on the back that you see on the Chief products. What I'm going to do is open the pouch and let's see what's inside here. Got a cool tube with 4 canisters in it, smell proof. You got the Tomahawk itself, which is awesome. Check that out. It also comes with some instructions in here and also some cleaning tools. And what's neat about this bag, inside it has a little tiny pouch in there. And that's where you put your cleaning tools and your cartridges. So got everything. It's a cool little pouch. This is the way it's going to be, and check that out. The Tomahawk. Get it at LordVaporUSA.com.